Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this 360 lace frontal wig in a kinky straight texture, honey, from MyFirstWig.com. I wasn't playing. I told you I'm going to try a bunch of these 360s. Okay, let's get into this. So, you guys are going to be a little upset, but the footage that was showing the hairline of this wig before I customized it got deleted. So I do not have the hairline that it originally came with. But I will tell you that it was not pre-plucked. So I had to put in some work. I had to definitely bleach the knots, and I had to pre-pluck the hairline. If you're interested in knowing how I customize my lace frontals or 360 wigs, you can check out this video in the description box below. Okay, so this is the wig after it has been customized. I didn't tint the lace this time. I actually just used my beauty blender with old products and just lightly dabbed it just so that it would match my complexion. So I've explained this process to you guys quite a few times, so I'm just gonna let the music vibe. So something new that I've started doing is using the same band that I put on the inside of my wigs to now lay my hairline. So I go tie that around and let it sit right on top of the lace while it cooks. So this wig is only 100% density. Can you believe it? I know. It looks so big and full, but it's not really that full. I think once it's pressed out, it's actually going to be on the thinner side. So this is perfect for people who are starting out and are just so terrified of hair that is too big. But if you're into hair that is super, super thick and full, then you might want to get at least 150 density on this. So on the sides, you can see that the lace only goes back about 3 inches, and then it gets to this other texture, but then in the middle it goes back like 6 inches, so you have a lot of room to play up top. So you see that color difference? When I part it on this side, you will see big difference. So you see that area that's like really white. Lower density wigs are thinner, so you're gonna have more of that like fake scalp kind of showing, but you're gonna have to put makeup on that to blend it in and make it look like skin. But on the plus side with a lower density wig, it is way easier to pin it up because you don't have as much hair to control or deal with. So I played around with a couple little styles with this hair. I really wanted to keep that kinky, straight, puffy texture, so I just like lightly curled the ends with the curling iron quickly, just so that it would kind of give it a bit of shape on the ends. And then I decided to do a little braid down the middle, and then I did a little half up, half down action. Then I did a little ninja bun with a pony at the end. I mean, the options are limitless. But I still think my favorite is when this whole thing is out and I'm able to just flip it from side to side, honey. Yes. Alright guys, tell me what you would do. What style would you do? Have you tried these 360 lace frontals? Let me know. Comment below. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.